Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm at a home that's had extensive improvements throughout, where the lucky buyer can simply move in and enjoy. 11 Sunstone Court in Yaroomba has been transformed into a functional, low-maintenance home that will suit every demographic of buyer. There are 2 separate living spaces with walls of glass out to the garden. The master suite is zoned to one end of the home with a large walk-in robe and ensuite, as well as a second robe for extra hanging space. 3 further bedrooms and a fully renovated bathroom are located at the other end of the home. There is ample built-in storage throughout and internal access from the garage. The kitchen is brand new and built for entertaining, with an oversized stone island bench and brekkie bar. Outside, there is entertaining space under cover and in the sun that flows to the pool. The surrounds of the home have been concreted and sealed to keep the maintenance down and provide easy access to the garden. At the front, there is a hard stand for a large boat, caravan or trailer, which comes with power, water and a sewer point. Thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for a turnkey home where all the work has been done, then I highly recommend you come and see 11 Sunstone Court in Yaroomba for yourself. For those interstate and overseas, we're more than happy to walk you through virtually. I'm Joel Hood, and we look forward to meeting with you soon.